Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Risalah Ar-Rahman, number 1246, 17 December 2025. In the name of Allah, the more gracious, the more merciful. Allah Azza wa Jalla said, "No one can determine their fate except me, Allah. Don't they see that punishment is everywhere, and that disasters strike everywhere? They lie about my blessings. My word will surely come true. To only hate a single woman, Ruqayyah. Look, my punishment will come upon them. There is no one to help them except me, Allah. There is to gush my light with their own words.